Fun with Stuey! Hi guys, today we're going to do the pigment explosion and the candle absorb the water experiment. This is the ingredients: the tartaric acid, the funnel, the dishwashing liquid, the bottle, the baric soda, spoon, cup, food pigment, and a stick with my mommy has. Okay, let's do it. We need to fill the water. I need to fill the water, so I'm gonna put. You know what? I'm gonna put here, and then I'll put it with this. I need the funnel. I'm not gonna put the water. Oh my God! It spilled. Ooh. Thank God. Oh, I'm going to put more. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Let's put. Okay, we need to put 3 spoons of tartaric acid. Okay, now I'm going to put the food coloring. I don't want to do that. Okay. Now we're going to stir. It's gonna be blue. Oh my God. It's gonna be very blue. I hate the color blue. Okay, the blue water is done. Okay. Now we're going to put the soda. This one. Okay guys, now we're going to put the soda inside. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, what happened? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Ah! Oh my God! Oh my God, it's gonna explode still! Okay, I have fun doing the experiment. The next video I'm going to do the candle and it explodes so big. And also you meet your parents for this. Yeah, because it's dangerous for 1 year old, 2 years old, 3 years old, 4 years old, 5 years old. But 6 years old can. Okay, Fun with Stuey, bye, and like and subscribe my video. See my video here. Fun with Stuey, bye!